Hello, this is our new dashboard. You can manage your folders here, or you can create a new presentation by clicking on this button. Here you can type your prompt and then click the send button. On the style selection screen, there are two options. First, if you don't have any brand, you can create with AI, or if you have a brand, you can just pick what you have. I'll pick this one and continue. Here, it will generate the presentation content first. It started to generate the slide content here. You can just click generate presentation button. And this is our new edit screen. Our platform started to generate the slides. Our slides are ready. In the new version, we generate slides as images. It means you cannot just type and edit the slide, but we have two options to edit the slide. First, edit with AI or edit text feature. Let's start with the edit text feature. When I click this button, it extracts the text on the slide, and actually I can edit my text on this side. Let's delete this part. And you can also make multiple changes at once. When I click the apply changes button, our AI regenerates the slide with your request. As you can see, it deleted the part. If you need to change something else rather than texts, then you can use edit with AI option. For example, let's see this slide. I want to change the icon, easy export, for example. Change the export items icon to something else. For example, you can type something like that. And again, it will regenerate the slide with my request. Slide creation now takes around 1 minute, so I would suggest you to not wait for each change one by one. Instead, you can just make multiple changes at once. In this way, you can save time. Instead of waiting for the output of this one, you can just go other slides, review them, and make necessary changes. And as you can see, it changed the icon without touching any other elements. Let's say you didn't like this slide, you can just archive the slide. In this way, you remove the slide from this presentation. We have a history feature here. There are two options. You can first see the archived slides, or you can see version history. I can just go back to previous version like this, and now I see the original icon here. In this way, you can make changes with AI, and if you don't like it, you can always go back by using the version history. And one more thing I would like to mention. Let's say you want something else. Here we have an upload file feature, and you can, this is by the way our demo icon, so there are so many things. For example, I will use Unsplash, but this is valid for your brand assets as well. Just an example presentation, and this one, use this image in this slide, and then it will regenerate the slide. If you type your prompt briefly, it means that you let AI design the entire thing or think about the design, but you can just type precisely what you want in the prompt area in terms of design, so that it can do that. It just changed one icon with this image. It used the image, but I didn't tell anything to AI, such as use the image on the right part and group the icons on the left side, etc. I could tell this, but I didn't tell anything, so it just made its own decision. But you get the idea. You can play with the platform and you can understand it much better. If you want to add more slides, you can just click the create new slide button, and you can just type your prompt here. If you want, you can attach files here. You can build your slide again. And at the end, after you finished your presentation, you can download your presentation in PDF or PowerPoint. For now, PowerPoint slides are also images. If you want to make any changes, for now, you need to come back to Decktopus, and you can use edit with AI or edit text functionality to edit your slides. Thank you so much for listening.